After the news of the Instagrammer Hitesha Chandrani assaulting Zomato delivery boy Kamraj for free food in Bangalore, Zainab Sheikh brutally beating up a BMC marshal in Mumbai for being pulled up for not wearing a mask, now a bunch of women have assaulted and used racist slurs on an Asian Uber driver, and this time the news comes from America. This Uber passenger is seen coughing at and assaulting a San Francisco Uber driver in a video for absolutely no fault of his. Thankfully for the Nepalese Uber driver, the whole incident was recorded on his car's dash cam. And now the assailant faces up to 16 years in prison. 24-year-old Arna Kimai was charged on multiple counts on March 17 by the San Francisco District Attorney. One of the felonies she is charged with is for assault by means of force likely to produce great bodily injury against a transportation driver. According to the CBS Bay Area, the other charge is for first-degree attempted robbery. In addition, Arna was also charged with a misdemeanor count of battery on a driver and one count for breaking a COVID-19 health order. If convicted on all the above counts, Arna could face up to 16 years in prison and $3,000. That equals to like 3,49,000 Nepalese rupees. The incident came to light on March 7th when Subhakar Khadka, a 32-year-old driver, was attacked by a woman passenger along with other women riding his Uber. They coughed at Subhakar and assaulted him and also racially abused him only because he asked them to wear a mask. The attack was captured on Subhakar's car camera and it shows one of the women coughing in his direction before hunching forward and snatching his phone and then ripping off his mask. The women can be seen shouting at the driver using cuss words. The Uber driver has also said that other women then used a pepper spray on him inside the car and after leaving the vehicle. Meanwhile, San Francisco police confirmed that they are probing the matter and later asked for help in identifying the women riders. Thankfully for Subhakar, the women were promptly arrested and Uber and Lyft have both banned the women from booking any more rides on their apps. In the footage, the three women were seen sitting in the back seat of Khadka's vehicle. When he pulls over to tell them that they have to wear the masks, the women can be heard telling the driver, "Fuck the masks." In an interview to CBD, Subhakar said, "I never said anything bad to them. I never cursed. I was not raised that way. I don't hit people." He said that the argument started when he asked one of them to put their mask on and then she asked him to give her a spare mask. Subhakar said he did not have a spare mask and that's when the women got wild. Still, Subhakar pulled into a gas station so that the women could buy a mask. It was then that the women began with their rants insulting Subhakar and hurled racial slurs at him. Following this, one of them even pepper sprayed him as they left the vehicle. The Uber driver who moved to the US from Nepal some 8 years ago to support his family said, "You guys are animals to treat other human beings like this." He also said that if I was another complexion, I would not have gotten that treatment from them. The moment I opened my mouth to speak, they realized that I am not one of them. So it's easy for them to target me. Subhakar even told the women, just because you are born and raised here in the United States, do not think that the other person is less human. Meanwhile, Uber has said in a statement that the behavior seen in the video is appalling. The rider no longer has access to Uber. Uber also gave Subhakar $120 for cleaning his car. But there is a silver lining to this dark incident. After the incident became viral, a GoFundMe account was created for Subhakar, which has collected more than $100,000 in donations from over 4,600 donors across the world. The public has rallied behind Subhakar and a GoFundMe was set up in his name by one of Uber's early investors named Cyan Bannister to help pay his living and legal expenses while he is out of work due to this trauma that he has suffered. Subhakar says he plans to use the money for his son's education and make his parents' retirement beautiful. What are your thoughts on this latest incident of people assaulting those who are merely just doing their jobs? What kind of a sick mentality does this point towards? And think what would have happened if the incident had not been caught on the camera and the women had in turn alleged first that the Uber driver misbehaved with them. Let me know your thoughts in comments below. And I'm more than happy to chat with all of you guys on Instagram. You can meet me on Instagram by following my handle, which is @ReviewRon. If you find my videos worth it, then please subscribe to show that you support me. But even if you don't, as always, thank you so much for watching.